So guys, Bitcoin is dumping. If we see right now, it is around at 31,500. And in the morning voice chat, I have told that the Bitcoin will dump and we will reach at that position. And yesterday also I have told that be safe in the Bitcoin because the Bitcoin is showing breakdown. Uh, it has breakdown. It will be breaking down from that uh, bear triangle, and you can see in the morning we have seen breakdown in the triangle. And it is I have told in the morning voice chat that it will be uh, dumping in the Bitcoin will be dumping at the level that is 29,000 to 30,000, and it is right now, if we see, it is approaching to that area. So guys, I have not uploaded the today's morning voice chat because the I think the voice was not recorded. And right now if I see, it is right now it is recording. And yeah, it is recording, guys. So if we see for the Bitcoin, it is the crucial support is around at 29 to $30,000. We can see a pump in the Bitcoin from there, that area. So you can buy some small parts, small position you can buy in the Bitcoin and the altcoins. If we see for the but guys, for the Ethereum, the main important update that I have opened this voice chat is on the Ethereum. If we see for the Ethereum is very bearish right now. If we see according to the in the BTC pair, Ethereum BTC pair, it is showing us a bearish wedge. And it is it is a wedge, and that is called a bearish wedge. And if we see for the RSI level, it has breakdown from that. It is making a bearish wedge in the RSI level. RSI pattern was also making a bearish pattern, so it has breakdown from that area. But it does not shows that the Bitcoin Ethereum is not dumping it. Only the pattern is also showing that the we can drop. And if we see according to the pattern breakdown, if we see the height, it is approximately 25%, 25 to 30%. We can see a drop in the Ethereum. If we see the support for the Ethereum in the BTC pair, it is around at 0.05 uh, BTC in the BTC pair. If we see for the Ethereum in the USDT pair, it is approximately around at support is around at let me see the support. It is around at the previous, which the Ethereum has touched around at $1,800, approximately $1,800, and right now it is at $2,300. And I think we can reach at $1,900 to uh, $1,900 to approximately 1850. So it will be a best buy for the Ethereum, but buy only small position, approximately 5 to 10%. Don't buy more than that, because we can dump in the more we can see a dump in the altcoins. So keep using your DCA and the money management, that is buying on the every dip, and don't be in hurry. I have given in the morning that you can short the Doge, and right now we are in profit in the Doge. And the Bitcoin we are in profit, in the Litecoin also we are in profit. And many tokens that I have told in the morning, we are in profit. If we see for the RSI level, the RSI is at 23, and we can see a bounce in the Bitcoin. So 12, so same guys, that is 29 to 30,000 will be a great buy opportunity for the Bitcoin. But if we see for the in the chart of Ethereum, chart of Ethereum is showing that 1800 to 1900 will be the best buy for the Ethereum. So we'll buy Ethereum at that position. And if we see for the 1 inch, I have already told in the base. So tomorrow, yeah, today's in the morning I have told that you can short the 1 inch also. And 1 inch, in the 1 inch also we have earned a good amount of profit. And in the BNB, guys, BNB is as has also breakdown from that triangle. that is a bear triangle, and we can see the BNB around, I guess. Let me make the support line for the BNB. The support line is around at $238. You can buy some BNB at that area. So be ready for the Ethereum, BNB and Bitcoin. You can grab that these coins. For the Litecoin, you can buy the Litecoin around at $122, and if we get more down, then you can buy more. Cake coin, we can buy Cake coin at $10. Place your bet in the advance. Only buy, guys, 2 to 5% of these coins. Don't buy more than that, because we can see a dump. And if we see more about the coin, more, let me see. So guys, this was the small update for the coins that I have was seeing on the Ethereum, that Ethereum is very uh, running on the very crucial point, because it is showing approximately, if you see on the Ethereum BTC, it was making a kind of double top, approximately double top pattern, but it has break down from that bearish wedge. You can see that this all the charts on my YouTube channel, that is Crypto Stage. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then you can see on my Crypto Stage Telegram channel. The link is given already. I've given the link in the morning. You can check out and subscribe to that YouTube channel, and you will be getting all the chart, why I'm bearish, why I'm saying the Bitcoin can pump from that area. All the supports levels are given at in this video. I have already all the things are recorded, and all the supports you can see by pausing the video in the YouTube. And if we see for the Luna will also dump more. Luna can touch around at previously at $3.9 it can touch. And for the 1 inch coin, I have already told it can in the morning I have already told that it can touch around at $2.01, and right now it is at $2.87. And Dogecoin, it is same support at 0.25 or $0.23. I have already told in the morning. So many things I've already told in the morning, but guys, my voice was not recorded in the today's session. So I guess right now it is recording, and you will be getting all the information. So guys, keep on checking these all coins and place the bid in the advance. And if any update I see in the, if any pattern, or if in any bullish chart, or any bearish pattern further I see, will update you, keep on updating you. Already I provide the voice chat. You can see all things on the YouTube. So guys, we'll see the next time, and we'll see the next update soon.